Guys, in today's video, I get to unbox my $500 DJI Mini 3. If today is your first time coming to contact with my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get into it. Let's get to unpack. Whoa. So that's it. That's the box. The first thing to see is the body of the aircraft. That's the first thing to see. Let's take this off. Okay. Oh, so that's it. That's the first thing to see in the box. And yeah, so you have this. And there is this. Okay, so this is the USB cable to charge it. This is the USB Type C rather. This is the Type C cable to charge. And I've got let's see the things I've got out of it. Okay, so this is a screwdriver to screw it. And I've got some extra propellers. Yeah, some extra propellers. And now take note that this is not a multiple combo. Oh, and this is the controller. This is the controller. This is the controller. So that's the body of the cam and manuals or the instructions to fly, and the controller, the box, and Type C to charge. Okay. So I've been told that the first thing to do is to charge, is to see. So let me, first of all, let me do this well. Let me straighten this. So it goes like this, and this also goes like this. And fly this way, and this way, and boom! That's the fly cam. I'll place the fly cam here. Okay. Okay, so this is the controllers. So this is how it goes. This is done. And this. And boom. Okay, I got it right here. So if I want to take, boom. So the camera is really covered. This is the cover of the camera. And what's this? Remove the foam and the sticker before you go. Okay. So this is the foam. Oh, so it's just to protect the camera. The foam and the sticker. Alright. So I'm not flying now, so I'll hold on. So that is the cam. And that's the controller. Gets it ready. And it comes, the propellers are already set, and you have other extra propellers. Yeah, that's a Type C to charge. And the manuals and extra propellers, and this. And they gave me, this is their editing software. Maybe I have to download with this. Yes, I need to ensure that let me take this out now. Take the foam out. And after taking the foam out, I'm taking off my Type C. Then I fix this here. Boom. And I connect this to put this here. Okay, I'm good to go. This is a recommended port in their manual, so I get to plug this and charge for some time. I also just the same way. I also set it here and boom, I charge it. So it's just a normal thing to do. Just a normal thing to do. Okay, so I get to connect this to this and so allow access. Next, join. Okay, before you fly, no fly spot available nearby. Okay, so they are telling me there are no fly spots available where I am. I didn't see. Okay. Okay, let's see this aircraft. Okay. All right. In fact, it's my first time, so DJI 3. This is DJI Mini 3. Yes, so that's it. So these are the instructions. This is one: take out and install control sticks, which I've done already. So it's time to start the drone. So I double click, and the second time I hold it to start the aircraft. So yes, so it has started. That's the battery, you can see. Yeah, that's the sound you hear, meaning it's ready. Okay, and I'm going to sim here. Yeah, so I'm good to go. Now let's see. And here we go. Okay, so so now I want to, let's see, let me start recording. Holy, now selecting the video. I'm calibrating, so that's it. If I want to turn, if I want to come this way, now I want to record myself, but I don't think I'm seeing myself. Okay. Shoot. And okay, hello guys, so that's me. I hope you can see me. So guys, that's how it is. Okay, I hope you can see me now. So now let's fly up and see. Yeah, and it can go up and up and up and up. Now, note that this drone does not have optical avoidance, and so I got to be very careful when I'm flying this drone. Holy shit. Okay. I'm going to go a little up and see. I'm going to go a little up. Guys, I'm doing one camera, so that's why you see all those ones. But essentially, this is a very good drone, I think. This is a good drone. Yeah. I think the phone is not helping, so I'll just go back and check the phone. I think the phone is not helping. The phone is on low battery. Okay, now there is something with this. There's something with this. If I want to, now where it has gotten to, if I want it to come and land by itself, I want the drone to come and land by itself without necessarily having to control it. But because don't forget that it has no optical avoidance, and so it can just crash into a tree. So I'll just click the return back home. Yeah, land. So land and return home. I'm going to click the return home. So the drone is essentially coming back. It's returning.